Here we are at Cabelas in Maine, which is RV friendly. They have a pump station and water that you can park, and you can stay for any period of time, I believe. I'm not too sure, but they allow you to camp overnight or a couple of days, which is great if you're transiting through a certain area. They're also dog friendly, so he gets to go in the store.
What's happened here?
Not anymore. Says that they're dog friendly, and now it's only service dogs. He used to be able to go into the store, and now he can't. Okay, people not wearing masks, let's go.
Forward to being your destination for hunting, fishing, and camping gear. Stay on the line or press 0. Thanks, and have... Wait while I transfer your call.
Jesus, how long does it take to answer the phone? My God. It's like 2 minutes. 2 minutes to answer the phone, and they're still not answering. Wonder if they're gonna answer. It's open. Doug's inside. And I'm calling because they say they're dog friendly. And now all of a sudden the door says they're not, yet a dog in front of us walked in, and he didn't look like he was a service dog. You see that? Like, let's see. It is now 3 minutes, 25 seconds. And nobody's even come on, even to say, can you hold? We'll be right back to you. Still sitting here, Cabelas, phone ringing. And Cabelas does not care if you wear a mask in the store or not either. Because half of the people going in don't have masks on, which is so terrible. What the hell is going on? 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Let's try this again.
Hello, and thank you for calling Cabela, the wood gear.
You just
For
don't
store
want to
hours
answer
and
the phone.
location, press 1. For ammunition, press 2.
Let's see if
For
ammunition.
firearms, press 3.
Let's see if
For
they
in-store
answer. He's a case on.
He is, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for calling Cabelas with the gun counter. My name is Allison. How can I help you?
Well, just curious, does anybody else answer your phones? Because literally I clocked my phone and it was 5 minutes and then it said nobody's answering your phones. So I'm like, oh, let me see if the gun counter answers, because clearly you guys are going to answer. And so I don't know do they answer the phones anywhere else?
So we are, unfortunately, I'm sorry that it sucks so much, but we are actually running on a skeleton crew right now. So if people hear the phone ringing, they usually don't have time to answer the phone.
I gotcha.
I'm answering the phone because it's not very busy, but half the time we don't answer the phone just because there's not enough people.
Okay, gotcha.
What would you look for? 'Cause I can directly call people on whatever department you
so
need.
my question was, because in the past we've brought our dog in, and now you have a sign that says only service dogs, which I thought you guys were like dog friendly, because even it says online you're dog friendly, and now it's like service dogs only.
You can bring your dog in. People bring your dog in. We have to put the sign up because we have a deli, and there's like some state regulation somewhere. So like corporately, we totally support dogs, but like because of some state regulation, we had to put that up. Also, someone complained about the dogs inside, so when people complain, we have to put a sign up that dogs are welcome, and the deli has closed permanently.
Okay.
So you're welcome to bring the dog in.
Okay,
People bring
gotcha.
dogs in all the time.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Come on, little man. You going to Cabelas? Come on, little man.
Hi there. How are you?
Come on, little guy. There you go. Where's Daddy? Oh, hand sanitizer. Awesome. Awesome. Since I touched the door. Okay, let's see.
Everybody coming in.
What happened?
Okay, so we were in the store. There is a sign outside, service animals only. So I called because I had always known it to be okay to bring the dogs in. And as I was told, the state, they have to put up a sign that says dogs aren't allowed because people are complaining about dogs and the cafe. But they corporately said that they support dogs. The cafe is now closed actually for like, I don't know, good or not, but the cafe is closed. So there's not an issue with that. So they said, of course, he's allowed to come in.
And guess what happened while you were outside? So I was supposed to be getting flip-flops or something like that. So I have outside shoes, easy outside shoes. Did you think I would have Crocs in my hand?
Oh my God.
I know, but I looked at all the things. Like,
they're easy.
And it just worked perfectly.
Yes, okay.
Crazy.
They work for some things, but not normal life.
So now you have to come with me, because I'm confused. I'll show you people at home. This is what I have in my hand as a normal size hatchet. But I was having trouble splitting the firewood to make kindling last night. So I was looking for a hatchet, except they have cool axes for the same price. And I was like, oh, but do I need extra weight in the RV?
Let's go look at axes.
Let's go look. But Cabelas always has cool displays, all kinds of cool stuff. We love Cabelas. And look. Look, that cool axe, right, is the same price as this little hatchet in my hand.
Ooh.
The problem is,
let me see how
it weighs about as much as, don't pick.
It's cool.
It's very cool, but do you think we need to, for the cool factor, be adding that much weight to the trailer? Or should I get the functional hatchet?
Depends if that works. I go functional over extra weight.
Alright, so we'll go functional with this. The smaller, reasonable hatchet. We'll report in.
Yes, we'll let you know how it goes.
Yes. We'll see you on the road and tell you.
See you on the road.
Thanks so much for watching this video. It actually kind of pains me to make it because we love Cabelas, and as you could see from the starting of the video, and actually we rebounded once we got the dog in, we're huge Cabelas fans. It was just like such a letdown. We're like, oh, here's Cabelas, you should come stay here when you visit Maine, and you can bring your dog in, and then you get to the door and it says you can't bring the dog in, and then it takes 6 minutes to get someone on the phone who was wonderful and explained it very rationally, and it all worked out reasonably well, considering, you know, the whole COVID experience is not good for any of us. In any case, we are in Maine, and we're going to be sharing with you our top 3 places you should go for lobster. We're going to share some other unique and interesting places we visited in Maine, and additionally, we're also going to share a review of the campsite where we stayed, where we actually stayed in 2 different sites at the campground. So hit that subscribe button, and if you're planning to go to Maine, particularly the Kennebunkport area, we're going to have a bunch of really great videos for you.